FIBA rules ang ginagamit dito sa ating conference na ito. Except yung 4-point shot.
Kaya naman siguro nagminti si Barkley. Malonzo on the other end makes it back-to-back hits para sa Rainer Shine. Rebound, Manaytay. Nice touch pass. Malonzo to David. Nokkum catch and shoot. Bitin. Fuller and one.
Incredible nose for the ball. We're talking about Aaron Fuller. We are not surprised. We've seen him play this way. Limiting a high-scoring team like Rainer Shine to just 20 points so far.
Fuller inside. Tatlo na sumaguba. Walang problema.
Maganda, nakakadepensa pa rin sila pagdating sa kanilang defensive assignments. But that was a surprise shot.
Sana magkatuon ng opportunity. Papawi ito si Bearfield at si Barkley. Para masaya ka naman, Richard. Fuller with a jump hook. Oh, not leading rebounder sa Indonesia. Okay, it's Indonesia, hindi kasing level naman ng PBA. Pero at 6'5" to lead the
stopper in this conference. Look. But
si Fuller got the drop on him there.
He can't do it alone. Still enjoying a 10-point advantage. The Elasto Painters needing to score more baskets. Pwedeng tumayo. Hindi pwedeng dalawa, tatlo na parang piston ng kotse itong coaching staff ng isang kabulan. So another knockout play. Alam kung ano kailangan mo i-stop. Dahil he was able to knock down 2 straight threes in the third quarter. His penetration is almost impossible to stop. Only 8 points in the first quarter and added another 14 here in the third quarter for a total of 22.
Fuller from the elbow.
An import who is a willing passer. Diba? Ang daming patira ni Una. Pero ngayon, walang problema kay Fuller. A couple of years ago, the problem is help from his local teammates by Bearfield.
Fuller now with 9 rebounds. Fuller trying to barrel his way through. And one opportunity. Mamuyak sa kabila. Rainer Shine will be back in action.
But the biggest blunder for them is the way they allowed Blackwater to score 123. With still over 2 minutes remaining, chalk up another 2 points for Aaron Fuller. 23 assists already for Blackwater. Very good sign for them. Great off-season work done by Coach Patrick Aquino and the rest of the coaching staff.